and it's so far you don't even come back. You don't even want you here. I hate you. I hate this house. I hate everything.
I hate you. I threw it in the garbage. It shouldn't be on my bed.
Mom! Mom!
Kids, shut up. I'm tired of your bickering. And your father's taking such a long time. Oh my God. Can you hold on? Where are your keys? She just leave you out there in the cold. Where? He's been in some sort of accident? Oh my gosh! Oh no, what am I gonna do?
Calm down, man. Calm down.
Is he?
No.
Oh my gosh, don't scare me like that.
Just underwear, man.
Dead. Was he wearing clean underwear, do you know? I told him to always make sure he's wearing clean underwear because you just never know, you know?
Ma'am, I don't check people's underwear.
Well, wait, why are you here?
I'm here because it's just that I have to leave you this short message.
Oh my gosh, is it Peter? It's Nick, isn't it?
Yes.
Nick, get out here right now. Turn your music down. How many times do I have to tell you turn your music down? The neighbors are complaining again. Was it Juliet? She's so jealous of us. And next time, turn your music down, okay? What? Is that what it was?
Yes.
That's you. Is that it? Is there... You mean it was Kim too? Oh my goodness, Kim!
Mom, have you seen my blue sweater?
It's in the laundry basket. Should have thrown it in the garbage.
Why didn't you tell me? I needed for picture day.
Whatever, then you should have taken care of it.
Ugh, it's that stupid sister of mine.
What did she do?
She lifted something that wasn't hers.
Kim? Kim?
What?
Get out here.
Oh my goodness, is everything okay? What's wrong? Was it the neighbors? Is it Dad? Is
Oh,
he
don't
alright?
be so dramatic. Where do you get that from?
You're the one.
Anyways, my husband should be home any second now. And we'll deal with this then. Any second now, we should be home. Finally, this cop almost convinced me that you were dead. There's something about you not wearing clean underwear.
Oh, for Pete's sake. Come on, people. What's with you all?
You're not here about the neighbor's dog, really?
I don't care about the neighbor's dog.
Thank you. Thank God. So, officer, what can we do for you?
Just let's see if we can figure all this out and come to some conclusion with what it is that we're going to do in this matter without having to take anyone to jail.
Kids, come on here. You can just talk to them. I'm done.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, but I have to charge you with petty theft.
What?
Not me. What are you talking about?
Robbing yourself and others. Attempted murder. That's serious. for the mic.
What are these charges? This is nonsense. Nonsense. That's what you
Okay,
mean?
yes, yes. You're charged again with petty theft. You consistently steal your sister's things, your family's and your neighbor's joy, by being selfish with the loud, dumb, stupid music,
That's you
and
again.
by not telling your sister that it was your mom who moved the sister's sweater.
That's you again.
That's your.
Okay, you went out and spent the whole day with your friends, watching the basketball game. Your wife needs your help.
That's you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
There's nothing in there for me, right?
No, I'm afraid not.
I see this.
Yes.
What, you think you know everything?
Don't be a smart.
She's like, she thinks she's.
Close your mouth, young lady.
Oh, you listen to her, but you don't listen to me.
Okay? Sorry, we have to find you guilty of this crime.
Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, see what God has done. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your many blessings, see what God has done.